Before the video start, please do hit the subscribe buttons for both of my channels, as many people who watch my videos are not subscribed, so please do. Hello there, this will be an unboxing video of this Nokia 105 4th edition handphone, and I won't be doing a boot up in this video, so let's get on with the unboxing, shall we? Before we unbox the box, I'll show you the box itself. This is a Nokia 105, picture of the phone. This one's going to be blue, 4th edition. Around the sides, Nokia 105 Dawson, the name of the model of the phone. Some information, as you can see, if this can focus on here. Copyright information, barcode information, nothing around there. And around the back, it's upside down, so let's get this in focus, shall we? So this is the pictures of phone. You can have a blue, red or black phone. The specification has battery life up to 14 hours or 18 days. LED torch, 1.8 inch display. Some specification, icons, Nokia, and if I put it up close you can see some information that's not relevant, so let's unbox the box now. Yeah, this is the phone. This phone is blue here, as you can see. Put that aside. What else is in the box? The battery, the charging cable, and also the quick guide. This is in English, you can get it in the quick start guide, which is, I think, is a bit, as you can see, around the back. Some of the information, let's put that aside. Now I'm going to show you the phone, which is here. It's in this sleeve. It's a blue phone. Let's take it out so you can have a better look at it. Has a 1.8 inch screen, Nokia. Back buttons, up, down, left and right. Telephone keypad, it's a very basic mobile phone. Around the sides, that's USB cable. I think this is a speaker. Headphone jack, auxiliary jack. Nothing around the sides. You can open this up for the battery, the Nokia logo, but there's no camera on this one. Again, give you viewers a proper look, good look at it. Then around the sides, this phone is very light and slim. It's easy to put it in your pocket. That's enough of the phone. Like I said before, I won't be doing a boot up of this phone for this unboxing video, but I can't comment on this phone because I haven't used it yet. So I think this is the end of the video now. Like this video, comment down below, subscribe if you're interested, and don't forget to tap on the bell icon to see you later when I upload a new video in the near future. So I already put the battery in this phone, so let's boot it up. So there's a range of languages. I'm going to choose just choose